Today we have chosen a very interesting, very demanding career option that is called the legal studies. Lawyers are the conscience keeper of the society. Very good afternoon, friends. In our continuous discussions on career counseling for Indian youth, today we have chosen a very interesting, very demanding career option that is called the legal studies. Before I could discuss on the career option on legal studies, I would like to quote Edmund Burke, the English philosopher. Lawyers are the conscience keeper of the society. The lawyers are the real game changer in a society. They are, in fact, they look at the provisions of law, they interpret it, and they give justice. That is the beauty of a legal studies and legal service. So, my dear friends, if you wish to be a successful lawyer, you must have known that all our best of our freedom fighters are also lawyers. Our constitution is written by a lawyer, and you look at the politicians also, most of them are from legal background. So law has brought them to a prominence. So that is the importance of legal studies. My dear friends, how do you can be a lawyer? How do you go for legal studies? So friends, there are two types of legal studies available in India. One is called the LLB of 3 years, which consists of first year pre-law, inter-law and final law. Or you have a 5 years integrated legal course, which is called that is also bachelor's in legal studies, but that is you have a BA plus LLB or BSc plus LLB or BBA plus LLB. So it is a 5 years integrated course after +2. So distinction between the two is that for the LLB 3 years you have to join after graduation, and in a 5 years integrated course you have to join after +2. So in a 5 years course you can get a BA and LLB degree, BSc and LLB degree, or you can get an engineering plus LLB degree. So there are different type of courses are available in the 5 years integrated courses. So friends, today we are focusing on either you join after graduation or you can join after +2. Depending on your choice you can join in both, either or you can join to be a lawyer. And how do you choose the career, where to join, where to study? Friends, as you know that CLAT is the national level test every year is conducted by Government of India. CLAT is this common test for all the candidates. In fact, this is conducted for our 22 national law schools. We have 22 national law schools. The number one is always the National Law School of Bangalore. That is the number one comes in the list. It is the oldest and the best. In the rank wise also it comes always the best. So my dear friends, apart from NLUs, National Law Universities and National Law Schools, you also have a lot of private colleges, private universities. They also give they also give you a degree in LLB. So you can join Amity University, or you can join Symbiosis, you can join Lovely University, or you can join MIT Pune. You can join many of the good universities available for the privately. You can join the legal studies. So legal studies are available in the government sector as well as the private sector. You can join any of the NLUs through the CLAT exam, and CLAT scoring is also acceptable to many of the legal institutions of the country. They also accept it. Now, after, how do you go about it? So this is basically a test in your, normally whenever you go for a test, they test your English knowledge, they test your aptitude test, they test your logical reasoning and your legal aptitude, your basic knowledge in constitutional laws, basically the laws, basic laws in different, like human rights, basically those things they actually teach you. My dear friends, after when you are going through the course, always try to prioritize ki what are your areas of interest, whether you are interested in criminal justice, or you are interested in corporate governance, or you are interested in civil laws, or you are interested in constitutional cases. You have to prioritize what are your areas of interest. Accordingly, when you study your LLB, either in the 3 years or 5 years course, you try to focus on those things. If you wish to, after LLB, you can join LLM for the post graduation studies, or you can go for your PhD also. So there are a lot of avenues available in legal studies. After a basic course, always remember that legal courses are specialized courses. They are essentially, you have to really very careful to understand the legal provisions of different aspects, be it civil, be it criminal, be it constitutional, be it educational. You have to understand the law, and you have to understand that. Then you have to attend the mock courts, and you have to go to for your internship, you have to join some legal firms. So by that you get a lot of knowledge to be a very successful lawyer. Remember one thing, a lawyer is an asset to the society. He is the person who can really, is a path breaker in bringing about justice to the people. That is important, very important. So friends, if you want to be a lawyer, then your countdown starts from now. Thank you.